But we will start discussing a very important topic in programming, and that is conditional processing. But before that thing, let's make a small program. So, for example, temp is equal to 45 temp. I created a variable temp which will basically store the value of temperature. Temp represents temperature. On the next line, I'm asking computer to print it is hot on the screen, and then print it is cold on the screen. Let's run the program. If you click the run, and it will execute each and every instruction. There is no error in this program. So program is absolutely fine. It created a variable temp and stored 43 in that, and then it executed this line and it printed it is hot. So see, it is hot, it has printed it is hot. Then it executed this line and then it printed it is cold. So it has printed it is cold. Program is absolutely fine, nothing wrong with it. But my friend, look at the logic. This is absolutely wrong. It cannot be it is hot and it is cold at the same time. It should print either this message or that message. If it is hot, it should print this one and not that one. But if it is cold, in that case, it shouldn't print this message. It should print only that message that it is cold. My friends, we need to discuss one thing here. This line will always execute. This line will always execute and it will store 43 inside the temp. But execution of this line should be, my friends, it should be conditional. What does that mean? It should be conditional. Conditional means it should not always execute. This line should be conditional. What does that mean? It means that this line must not always execute. So the lines which shouldn't always execute, we call them conditional. Conditional means that the lines, the instructions which should be executed on the basis of some condition. In plain English, whenever we start any line with any sentence with when. So whenever we start any sentence with when, it means that we do not have to do that thing always. So whenever we start a line, a sentence with when, it means you have to do this thing on the basis of some condition. So for example, when you are thirsty, drink water. So it doesn't mean that you always drink water. It means that whenever you are thirsty, drink water. Or when it is raining, take your umbrella. We started the line with when. So it means the things which are mentioned here will depend on this condition. So if that condition is true, only then it will execute this line. Same is the case here. So we have to tell him somehow we have to tell this thing to the computer that whenever some condition is true, and that condition is whenever it is hot, the weather is hot, only in that case execute this line. Whenever the weather is cold, only in that case execute this line. Okay, so we need to discuss that how we can write the conditional instruction and uses of if and all these things.